So the team of Rotterdam is going on a road trip and we are here with Susanne, Mark and myself. And it's a very typical one. We're going to Austria.
Vienna. Yes.
Yes,
Oui.
to Hood and Stiel. So stay tuned and we're going to see you there. So excellent. So we are here at Hood und Stiel in the city center of Vienna, and you guys are growing mushrooms on coffee grounds, and that has not gone unnoticed because you won some prizes with that. Isn't that right?
That's true. Yeah, we learned how to grow mushrooms on coffee grounds in Rotterdam 4 years ago, and brought the idea to Vienna, and it worked out really well, I would say. So Vienna was ready for coffee mushrooms, and yeah, we won several prizes. One of them, for example, was really nice because it was sponsored by the Ministry of Agriculture. So the Ministry of Agriculture gave us some money for this climate impact we are making with growing mushrooms.
Okay,
yeah,
excellent. And so because that's interesting, because what we found out in Rotterdam is that the government sometimes is a little bit how do you say it, difficult when it comes to environmental regulations and stuff like that. How does it work here in Austria?
I would say, especially in Vienna, there's a very good movement for sustainability. There are several prizes for startups who are working with sustainable projects, and one of them was the Green Star Award. I was talking before. Sorry.
That's a phone call. Do we need to take that?
No, it doesn't matter. Yeah, so there are many challenges, many projects for startups where they can win prizes, money, or incubation programs, or consulting hours, and I would say there is the government is trying to do something.
Okay.
At least.
But
it could be better.
It's difficult for everyone, right? Yeah. Everybody is struggling with
what,
because you're not really a farm because you're so small, and you're not really a waste collection because you have a cargo bike, and because you collect by cargo bike, right?
Yeah. And sometimes it's different if you have some sustainable project that you want to do that is hasn't been there before, so there are no other project that the government can look at and say, so this is what you can do, this is what you can't do. So you always get answers like, well, sounds interesting, we want you to do it, but we are not sure if you can do it because there might be a law that would be, I don't know, somehow not fulfilled with your project, and maybe ask at this agency or this and there, and then you have to walk around and ask everybody if it's okay, and you always get answers like, well, yes, we think it works, but maybe go to this one, and then you have to walk around and shake a lot of hands and ask a lot of questions if you are allowed to do it.
It's hard to find persons who are taking responsibility and say, yes, do it. That's good. Do it.
Yeah, we have the same in Rotterdam and in the Netherlands. And eventually we solve that by just doing it, and then just being in that gray area. You do the same, right? Just go ahead.
Yeah.
You're not waiting for permission or something.
Yeah. Sometimes you have to do it first, and then eventually the law will change in your favor.
Yeah, definitely. Hey, and so can you tell us a little bit about your operation? So we're in a sort of basement kind of environment here. Tell us a little bit about your farm.
Yes, we are in a basement. It's a flat building, or how do you say it? It's like 5 stories of flats above us. We rented the basement in fall 2014. Then we renovated for 6 months, and now we have about 240 square meters for mushroom growing, of which we have, I would say, 45 square meters for incubation phase, and 65 square meters for a fruiting room.
Okay, so you have a separate room for incubation, where the bags are hanging, and then they go to the fruitation phase.
Yes, exactly.
And how much mushrooms do you produce, and how much coffee do you collect every month?
We can right now we collect between 800 and 1,000 kilos of coffee grounds per week, and we give away already incubated bags to other projects and other mushroom farmers. And in our basement, we are able to harvest about 100 kilos of mushrooms per week.
How do you see the future?
The future, what we see is that we have a lot of demand for mushrooms, and there's a lot of coffee grounds in Vienna. So we are only taking a very small part of the coffee grounds that are available. What is limiting for us is the space that we have. So we were lucky to find a partner that has an empty wine basement in Vienna with perfect conditions for mushroom growing. So he takes the incubated bags from us and does the fruiting phase, so that we have some additional space and get high quality mushrooms back for our customers.
Very good collaboration. Hey, and you also innovate with the product. You made a pesto. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yes, from time to time it happens that we have some surplus mushrooms, and we really don't want to throw any mushrooms away. So this is a way to make them last longer, and it's like here we have a pesto. It's with organic olive oil and some herbs, which you can put over pasta or to season other or to put it on bread or whatever you want. And we have vegan bolognese, in which the mushroom replaces the meat. So we want to have some convenience product that you can use at home for a fast meal, and also for our mushrooms too. To find our customers. Yeah.
Nice, very nice. And we just tasted a little bit over lunch, and it was great. The Pils pesto. Okay, guys, thank you very much for your time, and let's stay in touch. And do we see you at the MLN next year, 2019?
Yes, for sure.
All right, excellent. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
Wow, that was really an interesting visit. It's always good to see other farmers like Goodwin Steel building on the knowledge they received, and then making beautiful innovations like these pesto and these sauces. So if you like this video and you want to keep updated about the activities of Rotterdam, then hit the like button downstairs, and also the subscribe button, so you make sure you stay connected with every update, because the next interview we're going to do is in Serbia with Eco Fungi, Ivanka Milenkovic, the godmother of mushrooms. So follow Rotterdam and stay informed.